I'm so grateful to everyone who's here and those of you who are watching at home in the future. Our goals are to help define racism, bias, and privilege in your life, society, and education system, to describe and explain your racial conditioning and its impact on your perspectives, educational experiences, and professional practices. And these are goals that we hope you will leave our session with. These are your personal goals, the outcomes. Explain how you experience and respond to discomfort, identify challenges that arise in this work for you, and list strategies and resources that you can use to mediate bias in your practice and your relationships with clients and families. And list the next steps you plan to take in your learning and work toward social justice and anti-racism. Our goal is to help us all take action. We're going to be working towards anti-racism, and this builds on a wonderful webinar on implicit bias given through AET by Dr. Toulousan. And she talks about naming it, owning it, and taking responsibility. We're going to change that slightly and talk about the idea of name it to tame it, embracing discomfort, and opting in maybe for the first time in this work, or opting in again